Welcome to Particle Pharma. Hope you all are fine. In my previous session, I have already talked about pests and weeds and how to protect plants from them, or the method or the procedure involves. So, coming to the next step, that is harvesting in crop production and the techniques involved in that. Harvesting means collecting crops or gathering crops from the field, and you haven't seen the farmers performing that. So please do respect the farmers, as it is a very difficult and crucial step, as it determines the quality and quantity of the final yield. After seeing them, you will never ever throw a single grain again. Believe me. So timing is playing an important role in harvesting the perfect ripeness for best quality and yield. So it involves the traditional harvesting technique and modern harvesting technique. Now coming to traditional harvesting technique, it is performed since centuries, and where it is performed and still it is in practice, where for specific crops and in smaller farms. So what it is doing is, it is involving the mechanical harvesting, so which involves the labors by using hands or employing tools. So by using hands, they will harvest the fruits, vegetables or delicate products such as tomatoes or grapes. They will cut it or pick it by using hands and employing tools such as sickles or knives. Sickle is of this shape. You might be seen somewhere. So what they will do is, they will cut it and they will gather it. So they will gather the crops such as rice or wheat, that grains, and they will store it and keep it at place. So the next step is threshing. So now they are having the crops. So meaning of threshing is separating the grains from the complete or harvested crop. So I repeat, meaning of threshing is separating the grains from the harvested crop or the complete crop. So this harvested or complete crop is known as chaff. So after collecting the grains, now it is cleaned. So this step is known as winnowing. So by this, traditional technique is over. Now moving on to the modern harvesting techniques, which involves the machines or technology to reduce the time, to decrease the damage, to reduce the labor cost, and by increasing the efficiency. So it involves the combined harvester and specialized harvesters. The combined harvesters, these are large and versatile machines. What they are doing, as name indicates, it can perform the multiple tasks at a time or simultaneously. So what are those multiple tasks? That is cutting or collecting the grains, and doing threshing, that is separating the grains. I forgot to mention that how they are separating the grains from the chaff, by two methods, either by using hands, means by beating it onto the hard surface, or by making the animals to walk onto that. So that's why you will ask to wash the grains or whatever crops or food vegetables which you are bringing to your home, to wash it properly and cleanly. So by these steps, and next step is winnowing. So these multiple tasks are performed at a time in combined harvesters. Next is specialized harvesters. As name indicates, they are tailored. Okay, so they are tailored or designed to perform the specialized task for crops such as potatoes or sugar canes. Sorry, potato harvesters or sugarcane harvesters. So these are the harvesters that are doing the or performing the modern harvesting techniques. So modern harvesting techniques are completed, as we know that this is the era of technology or AI. So how they are helping in harvesting, we will see it now. So I can say precision agriculture in harvesting or AI associated harvesting. It involves the GPS guided harvesters, yield monitoring systems, AI powered robotics or drone technology. Coming to GPS guided harvesters, what they are doing, how they are helping, they are navigating the field, so in which the crops are grown. Just imagine this is the field. So what they will do is, they will completely scan the field and helps in efficient harvesting. How? They will check that whether any missed area is there. So they can tell us that this area is not harvested, or if any area is again overlapped, means this area is already harvested, again the farmers are doing and harvesting is here is no use. So they will tell that this area is completed, now this area is left out, you have to do, or this much area is remaining which is not done till now. So by this GPS guided harvesters are used. Next is yield monitoring systems. What they are doing, the sensors or harvesters which are installed, they are measuring the amount of yield. Just imagine this is the yield. So they are measuring the amount of crop harvested from this much amount of area and helping to optimize the future harvesting and understanding the field variability. So this data is helping the farmers to understand how to do the planting and fertilization in the future. Next is AI powered robotics. As we all know that we are using AI in everywhere. So how this AI is using in harvesting, how we are using, or how I mean to say farmers are using. So they are using the robots or machine learning. How? By aiding in precising and selective harvesting, by reducing the damage or by reducing the labor cost, and telling us that or identifying us that the ripened fruits or vegetables from the unripened one, so that they can harvest the ripened one and leave the unripened one. So if just imagine if they are not using the AI, they would have harvested the unripened one, and what they will do with this unripened one, some crops are there they can ripe it after harvesting, but some crops won't get ripened after harvesting, so it will be of no use. And it is also helping or analyzing data to harvest the best yield. Next is drone technology. As we all know that how much drone we are using nowadays in daily life. So just imagine how much they are using in harvesting, means how can they use it? They can access the crop maturity, just now I have told whether it is ripened or not. So the cameras which are installed, sensors, it can access the crop maturity and identify the optimal harvesting time. And it also create the maps of yield variability informing harvesting strategies. So by this technology is used in harvesting. So why proper harvesting is required? Why good harvesting is required? So the importance. So it will yield the it will increase the yield, so it will maximize the yield, it will reduce the time, it will reduce the labor cost, it will reduce the damages, and it will reduce the amount spent. So I can say amount spent, and by increasing the efficiency. So by doing the proper harvesting techniques or by using the good harvesting techniques, these are the benefits which we can get it. So by this I have completely talked about the harvesting techniques. So I will be meeting you all in the next session. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you.